Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. In this class, we will be discussing about a new chapter, and the name of this new chapter is MS Excel Charts. Okay, so let's get started. So for classwork, I'm going to explain you this chapter. Okay, so kindly make sure that I'm going to explain you this chapter. You don't have to write this whole chapter. Okay, what you have to do for classwork and what you have to do for homework, I will tell you at the end of this video. Okay, so let's get started. This is MS Excel charts. Okay, so we are going to study about the charts which are made in MS Excel. Okay, MS Excel you might all be aware about. Okay, the in Excel the rows and columns combine together and they form a cell, and in this way the whole cells are made in that. Okay, and in that, to make it more attractive and beautiful, we use charts. Okay, so we will be studying about charts in this chapter. Okay, so what we are going to study: define chart and mention its advantages. First thing, diff charts and its advantages, that is why it is useful. Second, various types of charts. Third, change the chart type, chart style, resize and move a chart, components of a chart, how to create charts in MS Excel 2007, change oblique delete text and data in a chart, print the chart. Okay, so this is all we are going to study. So, introduction: a chart is an effective way to represent data in pictorial form. Okay, so what is pictorial form? The form which is the picturesque form of anything. Okay, like this is this column chart, this is bar chart, and this is pie chart. So here you can see that if this image is visible to you, these are, here the names are written, that is Sumi, Ruhi, Mona. Okay, so like for an instance, if I point out Mona here, this is the third one, Mona, then this is the green one. Okay, it is very easy to view. Okay, so that's why we use charts. Charts and graphs are more attractive and appealing than a simple presentation of data. Okay, if I would have given you in simple numbers, then it wouldn't have been that much beautiful. Okay, but here in the form of this pie chart, this is more attractive. Next, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Okay, so if I write here 1,000 words, but if I represent it with the picture, that is more uh, more important. Okay, next, MS Excel provides various types of charts. Okay, so these are the advantages of making a chart. So what are the advantages? Charts present data and information in attractive manner. Okay, so the data and information is in the attractive manner. Okay, second is charts present data and information in compact means that is, this whole bunch of information can be presented in just within a picture. Okay, so that is the meaning of compact. Third is, it is easy to analyze and compare data. So it is very easy to analyze the data, compare also. Okay, like if these are the marks, then I can just say that this blue one is of English and this red one is of maths. Okay, so I can just clearly say that English is greater than the marks of English are greater than maths. Okay, just by the image. Okay, next, fourth is, charts have a long lasting effect on the mind than a simple data statement. Okay, you might not remember this, but you will always remember this image. Okay, image are more um, effective, more long lasting in our mind. Okay, they last forever, not forever, but they last. Okay, next is components of a chart. So what are the components of the chart? The main components are the uh, the things which make up a chart. Okay, like plot area, value axis, category axis, data points, chart area, legend, data label, and data table. Okay, so we are going to study about these all here. In the next page you can see, this is the plot area. What is the plot area? Okay, the plot area is a rectangular area bounded by two axes. Okay, what are the two axes? This, okay, this one is y axis, that is vertical axis of the charts are called y-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, so these are the two axes. Now plot area is this hole where the picture is being drawn, that is called plot area, and this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Next, data points. Data points are this, the bars or like lines or other elements that represent the data value. Okay, so the bar which is representing the data value, okay, like this is going to be, this is 85, okay, and it is slightly upper than 85, then I can take it 86. Okay, so this is 86, the 86 value is represented by red color. Okay, this is called data point. Now next is chart area. This is the chart area. Okay, it refers to the area in which all the components or objects of the chart are placed. Okay, all the reason where the components of the charts are placed is called chart area. Next is x-axis. I have already explained. The horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. Okay, legend. What are legends? This identifies each data series in a unique color of pattern. So here in the previous page, 2 points were left, that is data label and data table. Okay, so for, what is data label? It is label that provides information about a data point on a chart. Okay, so here you can see this, what is data point? This red color is data point. Now what this red color is denoting? It is denoting maths. So this is data label. Okay, this is data label. Now this whole bunch of all the colors which tells us that what denotes what. Okay, like blue denotes English, red maths, green computer science. So this whole bunch is called legend. Okay, this identifies each data series in a unique color of patterns. Okay, so in this way it could be uniquely identified. Okay, these are the components of chart. All right, let's move on to types of charts in an MS Excel 2007. So these are the types of charts. Okay, so in this is MS Excel 2007. Okay, what is column chart? Here you can see these are represented in this form. Okay, like a column chart shows the data changes over a period of time or illustrates comparisons. Okay, this is showing comparison. Now here you can see this blue horizontal line, sorry, vertical line. This blue vertical line here is denoting English. Now here this blue line is showing again of English. Now this one is of Sumi and this one is of Ruhi. So here you can see that the marks of the girls you can compare easily. Okay, now Sumi has got less marks in English than Rumi. Okay, so this is easily identified by column chart. Next is line chart. Okay, line chart are in the form of lines. Okay, so these are again of Sumi and Rumi. Okay, now here you can see again the marks are given. Okay, and it is very easy to compare the marks. Okay, like I can say this one is less, then this is one is higher, and the highest one is this. Okay, all right, and third one is pie chart. Now pie chart is in the then circular form. Comparative size. A pie chart shows one data series in the form of the comparative size of things that make up the data series to the sum of the items. Okay, so the data in this type of chart is denoted in the form of circle and it is divided into sectors. So what are sectors? These are sectors, like this red color you can see here. This is a sector, this green is another sector. Now this is very easy to identify that which one is less, which one is higher. Okay, so this can again be used for making comparisons. Okay, next is bar charts. These are bar charts. Okay, these are in the form of bars. Okay, it displays data in the form of long rectangular rods. Okay, displayed either vertically also, or it can be also displayed horizontally. Okay, so let's move on to our next page. All right, area chart. So this is the fifth kind of chart. What is area chart? An area chart shows the trend of values over time or categories. Okay, so it shows here that over a period of time. Okay, it is used to display quantitative data graphically. Now this shows that over the period of time how the values of the things which are very trendy changes. Okay, like here you can see this. Okay, it is very easy to see that this green color, okay, this is going just smoothly and then down and then smoothly. Okay, so this can be easily shown that a thing is okay, any product or anything was going smoothly and then it decreased and then it increased. Okay, so these area charts are used for showing such kind of data. Next is scatter chart. Okay, what is scatter chart? A scatter chart shows pairs of values in scattered format. Okay, scattered format, like you can see here, here mm, here you can see that it doesn't has any line, it just has one dot. Okay, so these are scattered over over the regions. Okay, these are not fully visible as well. Okay, so each of these chart types are divided into a number of subtypes. Okay, subtypes, what are subtypes? That types of types. Okay, like let's see other charts are include surface, donut, bubble and radar charts. Okay, so these are other kinds of charts. So subtypes of column charts. Okay, here you can see these are the, if you just click on one chart, okay, if you just click on this, then this whole bunch of the other subtypes open up. Now you can mm, just select any one which is convenient to you. Okay, so creating charts. The commands to create a chart are in the charts group of buttons on the insert tab. First of all, if you have to create a chart, then where you have to go? First of all, you will click on insert tab. The data in rows and columns of a worksheet can be used easily for creating different kind of charts. Okay, so data can be easily used. You can create charts at two different places: in the current worksheet as an object in the separate worksheet. Okay, in the current workbook. So you might be aware about workbook and worksheet. Okay, worksheet is a single sheet that you are working on, while workbook is the whole combination of all the worksheets. Okay, so next is, let us learn how to create a chart on the worksheet with the following data. So there are two ways to create a chart in MS Excel 2007. First method is Excel can figure out an appropriate chart for you on its own. Okay, first of all, it can do on its own. First, select the cells and press the F11 key. Okay, so first of all, what you do, you select the cells. Okay, these are the cells. Okay, so first of all, you select the cells and then press F11 key. Excel automatically creates a chart for you and a new chart tab appears along with the sheet tabs. Okay, this is the shortest and the easiest way. What you have to do, you have to just select the cells and then press the F11 key. Okay, method 2 is to create a chart of your choice. Okay, follow the steps given. That is, first of all, enter the data in a worksheet. You have to enter the data in worksheet. This is your worksheet. Okay, you enter this data and then select the cells within the table. Okay, then you select these cells. Okay, what is the selection? When you press your left mouse, okay, and then you drag it, okay, just like this. Okay, this is called selection. Okay, so you select like this, then click on the insert tab. Okay, then you click on insert tab. Okay, then from the charts group, in insert tab you will find the charts group. Okay, you can view in your book. Yeah, I think the book, I think the image is not that visible. You can view this in your book. That for you go on insert tab and then you go on the charts column. Okay, here is the chart column. Then you select the chart subtype. Okay, what kind of chart you are going to make, you click on that. Okay, now select the chart subtype from the drop down list and then you select the one. Okay, then whichever you are going to make, then click on that and this will be created. Okay, MS Excel allows you to format the chart. What is formatting? Formatting is making changes on it. You can change it, you can design it, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay, now next topic is changing the chart type. Okay, if you have to change the chart type, like this one is column chart. Okay, now you have to change this in any other like bar chart um, or in pie chart. Then what you will do, first step you have to do is double click the chart. Okay, you will double click. How you double click? You tap 2 times on the keyboard from the mouse. Okay, so you tap 2 times. Okay, then the design tab opens, displaying the various chart tools. Okay, then the design tab will open up and it will here you can see here are different kinds of charts. Okay, click chart type option in the type group. The change chart type dialog box appears. Then change chart dialog box appears. Okay, choose the new chart and its subtype. Click the OK button. Then you click the choose the new chart type and you its subtype, and then you click OK button. Okay, this is given in page number 13. In page number 13 you can see the image. Okay, your charts get changed. Here you can see that when you click on that, double click on that chart. Okay, and then click chart type, chart change chart type. Okay, change chart type, and then a whole list of, this is in page number 13, a whole list of the charts are given, like column, line, pie, bar, area. Okay, and then you select the one which you want and then you click on the OK button. Then this chart will be changed. Okay, changing the chart type. Okay, so that's all for your classwork. Now, so this was all for your classwork. You don't have to do anything for your classwork, just you have to do this revision. If you have computers, laptops, do try these all tricks on your computer. Okay, open MS Excel and then try these all. Okay, this is your classwork. Now for homework, what you have to do is these two questions. First, define a chart, name any 5 components of a chart. Okay, this was here in the first page. What is a chart? From here you can get a very precise definition. Then what are the components of chart? These are the components of chart. You can write any 5 of them. Next is distinguish between a bar chart and a column chart. All right, so this was in the second page. Okay, it was here. So here you have already seen that in column charts, okay, the orientation of these two charts is different. Okay, like the column chart was represented like this in vertical manner. Okay, while the bar charts are denoted in horizontal manner. All right, so this these two questions we have to do for homework. So that's all for this video and for this class. Thank you and have a wonderful day.